Are you looking for ways to include flax seeds in your meals? We got you. Start your day with a flaxseed smoothie. Just blend your favorite fruits, yogurt, or plant milk, and a spoon of ground flax seeds. They add a nutty flavor and a fiber punch that supports digestion and hormones. Next, you can sprinkle flaxseed powder on oatmeal or porridge. It thickens it naturally while giving your breakfast a powerful omega-3 and antioxidant boost. Great for your heart and skin. You can also make flaxseed energy balls by mixing dates, oats, nut butter, and ground flax seeds. No baking needed. These are perfect for healthy snacking and blood sugar balance. Add ground flax seeds into pancake or muffin batter. It's a great egg replacer in vegan recipes, and it ups your fiber and protein intake. Finally, stir them into soups or stews right before serving. They add subtle thickness and anti-inflammatory benefits without changing the flavor. Now, what's the best way to eat flax seeds? Always go for ground flax seeds. Your body can't absorb the nutrients well from whole seeds. And while you can roast them lightly, keep the heat low to preserve omega-3s.